special impact. I'm a bit of a bore. If I tell a joke, you've probably heard it before. But I have a talent, a wonderful team, cause everyone listens when I start to sing. I'm so grateful and proud. All I want is to sing it out loud. So I say thank you for the music, the songs I'm singing. Thanks for all the joy they're bringing. Who can live without you? I ask in all honesty, what would life be without the song, murder and slaughtering? So I say thank you for the music, for giving it to me. Mother says I was a dancer before I could walk. Jesus began to sing long before I could talk. And I often wondered how did it all start? We found out nothing can capture a heart like a melody can. Well, whoever it was, I'm a fan. So I say thank you for the music, the songs I'm singing. Thanks for all the joy they're bringing. Who can live without it? I ask in your honesty, what would life be? Ano? Ito na lang. Ito, iba naman kanta. Hindi ko na nga alam eh.